Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time, traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal, we've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Laters. Hi there. Thank you for joining me on another episode today. So today we are looking at a property in Lamas, which is near or within the area of Miranda Do Corvo. It is about 10 minutes away from the villa that we stayed in. So we just walked down like the week before and we spotted it and managed to find it online. It was a Remax property, and we got in contact with a gentleman named George, and he was happy to have us take a look at the property. It is 47,000, but I think it's come down to 39, but don't quote me on that because that might change. So it is a good sized property. There are pictures online if you go to the Remax website, and I'll put the link in the description box so you can have a look. It is a 3-bedroom, but it's got a couple of outbuildings around the back, so there are options to, expand that. It's near the main road, and it does have a very small garden, so it didn't tick those boxes. Inside it was very spacious. It does need a lot of updating, so I will let you continue having a look and hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Later. Bye. This is one room. What's happening upstairs there? Oh, this is another part. I thought that was a room. Okay, go there. Okay, swak. Okay, let's walk.
Oh my god. Did they do that? There's so many rooms. Maybe we can run to and then that's in that. There's more than
Oh, that's stairs. What's the stairs?
that gone?
That side.
Where's that gone?
I don't know. I know what you know.
I'm not going to wire in my way. I didn't see this yet. It's a kitchen.
She's not bad looking.
Ew, I love it. It's got money. Yeah.
Okay, where's...
That's the pantry. Might need some jars.
You know?
It sounds like he's outside. That's outside. It's just closed.
Ah, right.
I'm sorry.
This is a toilet. That's a toilet.
Not really got much in it. Yeah. Not got a garden in it.
They got in here.
No, the garden's not in anything.
That's the garage. Another bathroom. Quite a big space.
Most of this will come out.
What? The walls?
Walls.
Yeah.
Mine.
And you've got a big space.
So, para mim, it's me. Yes.
Travail. Lots of work. Take out the walls. Lots of work.
It's very. Sí.
Nice. That.
Yeah, it is nice. What?
Just this little thing. Just chatting. Garden.
Yeah. Small. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's a small garden. Yes.
Street this. I can't read.
It's area total.
Oh, total area.
Sign.
Oh, the house.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pass. Area.
So, how big it is? Read it.
Yeah. It's the.
Park. Okay. From car window.
The glass.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like it. Windscreen, rear window. Right. Yeah.
Oh, that toilet needs a window. Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters!